Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home, and today I am gonna address the elephant in the room, which is before that, what is that one thing that your kids keep asking you to do in the house, or they keep asking you for it over and over again? Nope, I am not talking about snacks at all. What is the other thing? I am bored. Can I get an iPad? Can I watch TV? Can I play a game on iPad? Can you give me your phone? Can I have the phone, please? One more time. I've done everything. What do you want me to do now? I think I should just check the phone. I think my game, the game that I play, I think it's saying that the rewards are there. I need to go and claim them. What are the other things that they say? I mean, I'm just trying to tell you everything that Vivan tells me in different ways to get either the phone or the iPad. Phone, he's definitely not getting me now because I'm not giving my phone to him. We got the iPad for him a couple of years back, but this year that iPad is really in use because of the homeschooling. Before before I get started with the video, I'm just gonna tell you, like, our schools are not shut yet, and I think a lot of schools all around the world are either closing second week of June, or some of them are already closed. So the ones that are already closed, hats off to moms for taking care of your kids. But definitely, I think it's very important for you to get a curriculum right, or like a schedule right for the kids. So as you would be planning your schedule, how can you entertain them throughout? You cannot. Please let them get bored. Okay, that's really important. Let them get bored and let them figure it out. And if you think that's not working, I have prepared two lists which I will be sharing with you guys today. List number one is the 50 activities that the child can try on its own, or with some help of an adult or a sibling, or a mom or dad or grandparents in the house. Or even if you have help, they can like just talk to them, or they could just discuss. Those 50 things that they can do in the house, that's one. And the second list that I'm not sharing the link, that's going to be on request basis. I have listed down the links of all the websites, all the things that I'm doing with Vivan, where it's like yoga, it's dance, science experiments, and some kind of educational videos, all that I've consolidated at one point. So like every time he is tied up, or he's bored, he can always go check, and I can open it for him. So I've like consolidated one list, and for that list, if you really need, because that's my own list, I'm not sure how many of you would want that, but in case if you want that, please leave a comment below and I can email it to you. But now, coming back to the 50 things that the kids can do. So before they ask you for phone or iPad, you have to make sure that you are a little strict at that time, and you could say that you're only getting phone or iPad for like 30 to 40 minutes a day. Not more than that. And I know those 40 minutes always get like, can I get 2 minutes more, 3 minutes more, 5 minutes more? My game is just ending. No, don't take it. The episode is just finishing. Let them finish the episode. Let them finish the episode. Let them finish the game so that they are calm at mind, and then they give it to you nicely. 5 minutes up and down, it's not gonna matter. But before they get that, I think this list is gonna come really handy, guys. What you can do is you can take out a printout. I have done the work, and I'm gonna be pasting this for Vivan as his school is finishing on 4th. And I have one child, right? So of course I'm like the entertainer. I'm the second child. I have to keep entertaining him, but I do let him get bored. And if he says he doesn't know what to do, I'm like, it's fine. The brain doesn't need to do everything all the time. So you can just be on the bed, just like keep looking outside. I give very lame ideas to him. I like stand on the window and look outside. Count the cars, count the trees, look at the birds. I mean, just do whatever. I mean, you don't need to do everything all the time. However, I think this list is going to come handy. And before he comes and asks me for iPad, he needs to at least do 2 to 3 activities in a day. Okay, and as soon as he does something, he needs to put a tick so that he claims his iPad time. And let me just tell you guys, there is no way that you can say no to iPad or TV. They need some kind of entertainment, and I think that's now inbuilt with them. So like, we need the phone, and we are like always checking even if not always, like we are checking, right? So like that's their entertainment time, and it's not that bad that they're watching, but we can obviously cut down on the timing that they're watching, and we can always monitor what they are doing on TV. So that's totally on us, guys. What do we want exactly our kids to do? What do they want and what do they watch? So that's one. But before they go on watching, navigate them. Either tell them it's okay to get bored, or tell them to pick up an activity from here, take, okay, all right, 2 or 3, and then they can go ahead and have their TV time. But make sure that every activity that they pick up from here, they are at least spending 20 minutes. Even if either you put the timer or you tell the time to them, 20 minutes is minimum that they need to spend on just doing this. And let them figure it out. Do not help till the time they come and ask for help, because this is the time when they're trying to figure out. So I'm just going to read a couple of them to you so that you know exactly what I'm talking about here. I'm so excited to put this list up, and some of them are that I'm sure Vivan already knows, because we have done that. So I have done take out sounds of 5 animals, enact a story, come up with the character name. So we have been doing Akbar, Birbal and Tenali Raman enact, or any of your characters, any cartoon characters that the kids see, they have to just enact. Either they can take help of a mom, or they can take help of a sibling or anybody that they have in the house. Build a 7-color wheel, gather 5 objects of each color, make a rainbow using toys, try toy photography, create a mandala design, pick up a broom and clean any room. Now narrate a story to any member of the house, build a castle, gather cushions and pillows. So guys, I think it's an exhaustive 50 activity list that you can give to your kids, and I'm sure this would definitely help. And guys, if you need the link of the videos that I have collected for Vivan, please leave a comment below with your email address, or I would just leave a comment saying that yes, you need it, and I'm going to share the link with you. Also, is there anything that I'm missing? Yep. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and do share pictures of these printables hanging or like pasted on your walls. I'm gonna share mine too. All the links that I will be sharing on the file, that's my personal file that I've made for Vivan. It consists of all the dancing videos, science experiments, all different kind of things that I try and look for Vivan, and that's just my dope that I'm happy to share. So if you want that, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.